Make a great choice today with the 2013 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, remote engine start, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.